Hey everybody, Joe Doer. So, home insurance is unlike other insurance like health or Medicare, where there is no specific time that you can purchase it. Consumers can shop for homeowners insurance anytime, not just doing renewal during any kind of renewal period when your policy expires. So, you may want to take a look and see if you can find better rates. And we do that by comparing policies, by renewing coverage, deductibles, and taking a look at terms like actual cash value versus replacement cost value, which is a very big one that people oversee many times. So give me a call. Let's take a look at your policy, make sure you're covered correctly, and if we can save you any money.
Wow.